Hi everyone, my name is George and this is my own summer. Welcome to one of my first videos on YouTube. This is only the part 1 of the garage conversion I'm planning on doing. The house that we bought a few years ago has an old and small garage, so recently I thought, why the hell not? My car doesn't fit in. My plan is to have a space where I can work on some hobby projects or for things that needs building or fixing around the house. I'm planning to do this conversion on my own without any professional help. Why is that? No reason whatsoever, only because I like to take on challenges like that. I like to build things, especially when they turn out to be okay or even better when they actually work. As you can probably tell from my videos, I'm not a professional builder or anything closer to that. I'm just watching a lot of online YouTube videos. Am I doing it all wrong? Most likely I am, but that way at least I got no one to blame but myself. If you have any constructive advice for something that I'm doing horrendously wrong, please leave a comment below and I'll promise that I'm gonna try my best to take on your advice. As you can tell, the garage is in pretty bad shape. It's got a basic wooden frame made of 4x4s from what I can tell. Told you I'm not a professional builder. And the outside walls are made of some of those wavy metal sheets. No idea what they're actually called. All I know is that they do have some rust, and by some I mean quite a bit. I also have some holes in the roof that I need to cover because, well, you know, rain. My idea is to insulate it with some polystyrene sheets glued somehow directly against the metal sheet and add some cheap board or plywood on top of it. But first things first, to start with I have a lot of cleaning up to do and a lot of trips to the recycling center. This is going to be a long process, so I'll split the video into more episodes. I also work full-time and the weather in the UK is pretty much rain all the time, only going to slow things down. This is it for the moment for part 1 of my garage conversion. Any comments you might have, please leave them in the comments section below. I like being part of a community, and part of that is to exchange ideas and get a lot of advice.